Hey everybody, I've got the Prizm Retail Baseball that I promised you guys. 2 blasters and 4 of the bonus packs. These are the ones that have the red, white, and blue prisms. You can see the little white pack at the back. Little bonus pack there, so this should be fun. I don't know what the exclusives are, so I'm finding out at the same time you are right now. Obviously we know what this is, the red, white, and blue, but let's see what it is. Retail exclusive green prism, so kind of like football. So there's greens, blaster exclusive rookie autograph purple prisms. That'd be nice. Not a guarantee, of course. Tons and tons and tons of odds. Let me cut this open in case anybody actually wants to see this before they make a purchase. If I can get it open. Alright, there we go. That is a lot to process. Hang on, it's mostly at the top. Also look for silver, blue, red, purple, blue, mojo, red mojo, lime green, donut circles, neon orange donuts. These are all like from Hobby. Zebra stripes, power plaid, blue wave, snakeskin, navy blue kaleidoscope, burgundy shimmer prism. I didn't get one of those. Gold, forest green, black finite. Wow, that is a lot. And then it starts again with tier 2. I don't even know how that works. And then yeah, you can get prism versions of a lot of the inserts. I guess all the inserts too. So wow. Okay, get my little trash can ready and let's do this. Since I've already cut into this, we'll do blaster first. 24 cards per box. And here is, okay, so they've got the bonus prisms in a separate pack. I didn't realize that. And then you have 5 packs per blaster on top of that. Let's see who we got. So Lindor, Gallo, a silver Sosa rookie, and a blue Kyle Schwarber. Nice. 2 parallels in just the first pack. Trevor Williams, Kevin Newman, Kyle Freeland, and then a De Los Santos rookie. I think that's red. Yeah, not numbered, so it should be red. It looks a little orange under the side. I know you're thinking, are you crazy? That's red, but it looks a little orange. Herrera, Peralta. Oh, baby. Wow, look at that. Hang on. There's Vlad. This is maybe the black finite? I don't know. It's not numbered, so it's not too rare. Maybe it's a different insert. P2. Wow, that looks good. That's a really nice design. Let's see if we can find out what it is. P. Which that could just be prism, but brilliance, illumination, stargazing, yeah, we've seen all that. Numbers game, scorching, we've seen. Lumber ink, we've seen. Machines, we've seen. Guys, I really don't know. I don't see. Well, anyways, I guess it can't be too rare since it's not numbered, but it still is a gorgeous card. I mean, look one more time. I'm terrible about overlooking numbering, but I don't see anything. Get it in the light. Yeah, so it can't be too rare, but it's still a gorgeous card. This is the type of set I might consider putting together because that's sweet. If I can find out what it is and how many cards are in it. That might be a retail exclusive because I didn't see anything like that in the hobby boxes. If you know what it is, comment below and let me know. There's the De Los Santos regular rookie Benintendi, numbers game, Javier Baez, and a red mojo Aaron Nola, I think to $3.99, $2.99. George Springer, Pilar Marquez, and a red David Bot. Not sure, but I like the red. I like the red. I like the blue better, but the red's sweet too. All right, our bonus pack. Brandon Belt, Abreu, Luis Ortiz rookie, and Kyle Tucker rookie. Sweet. Like Kyle Tucker. These look good. So these are the purple. Let's do the other blaster box. So, as expected, there's decent value in the blasters because you do get the exclusive purple pack, but they're not shorting you on inserts and parallels in the rest of the packs, which sometimes Panini will do. Sometimes you'll get just what's in the extra pack, and then all the other cards are just regular base cards. Not a fan of that. So, plenty of value here. I like it. Still digging Prizm. I'm digging it in hobby and retail. Cano, Bieber, Nolan Ryan, silver, nice. And here's one of the sweet blues, Lindor. That looks so clean. And again, I'm at that second hobby box, the quality, I showed you guys the cards had a lot of scuffs and crazy crap on them, but nothing else other than that box has been like that. Everything else has been pretty good. Chris Sale, Miles Straw, Teleon, and a red Nicholas. Although this card's bent to Hades and back. Put it in a top loader and that'll help, but wow. Derek Rodriguez, Michael Kopech, Chris Bryant, and Dontrell Willis. That's a name I hadn't heard in a while. So this was the first pack with nothing in it. Nothing extra in it. Cabrera, Mike Minor, Blake Snell Brilliance insert, and a red Mojo Matt Chapman again. These are pretty warped. Alright, last regular packs from the blaster. Matt Olson, Nick Williams, Jackie Bradley Jr., and a red Matt Carpenter. Let's see what purples we got this time. Kopech, Chris Sale, Derek Rodriguez, and a David Fletcher rookie. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, now we're going to crack into these packs. 15 cards inside, including 3 red, white, and blue. Love to pull an autograph out of one of these. That would be sweet. Let me just go ahead and open these. I don't know if there's anything special about these aside from the red, white, and blue pack. I don't know if there's exclusive autographs. I can't even read that. I don't know if... Yeah, it looks very similar to what I just read on the blaster. So, hopefully these aren't like I just described, though, where all of the packs are base and then you just get the red, white, and blues. But we're about to find out. 4 cards per pack. Herrera, Peralta, Andujar numbers game. Nice. And Robles. So that answers that. There's an insert. Just a Sheffield rookie, Reese McGuire rookie, another. Oh, look at the Griffey of that. Oh my gosh, that's sweet. That is a gorgeous card. I've got to make this set. Wow, look at that. Ooh, baby. Chris Archer red. I've got to find out what that is. Mondesi, Altuve, Barry Larkin, and Tyler O'Neill rookie. And then our bonus pack. It's So there's what the red, white, and blue looks like. Little white there, blue, red, red. Valdez rookie, Corey Kluber, and a Victor Reyes rookie. So double rookie action there. Next one, Reed Foley, Castellanos, Giancarlo Stanton, and a zebra skin De Los Santos rookie. Look at that. Numbered out of 99. Sweet. Man, this Prizm baseball is, hit it out of the park with this. It's nice. Reyes, Adam Jones, Rowdy rookie, and Trevor Story. Pollock, Scherzer, Voth rookie, and a blue Moustakas. Parallels of Marza, Meadows, and Kyle Freeland. So no rookies that time around. Alright, number 3. Actually, let me clean up my mess really quick. Okay. Smoke Davis, Bryce Harper, Lumber Inc., and the Green Donut Circles Gallo to 199. Lindor, Gallo, JD Martinez, and Bader. It seems like one pack of each of these multi-packs, it will just be base cards. That's what's happened so far. Trevor Williams, Urena, Velasquez rookie, and Malik Smith blue. Let's just take a moment to appreciate the blue. It's just clean, sweet, soft as a baby's booty. All right. I wish they had hanger boxes of this. I'd be buying it. Bellinger, Allard rookie, and Willie Calhoun. Not bad. Alright, last one. Boo. Wish I had more of this to open. Alright. Scooter, Mullins rookie, Fireworks Arenado, and Jose Martinez. Real Muto, Nicholas Simmons, and a red Sano. George Springer, Kevin Newman, Tejada, and Andujar. So that was it's following in the pattern I said. So there's one pack with nothing but base cards. And then our last card, the last red, white, and blue, is Sano, Whit Merrifield, and a Nick Martini rookie. So let's get everybody together. Everybody come together. There we go. That's pretty good. That's a lot of stuff. I know, you know, that all the parallels aren't going to be worth $1 million each. I get that. But it's still, that's a fun break. Just like I said with the hobby boxes. Plenty of inserts. Tons of parallels out the wazoozy. And if you love parallels and stuff with color, you cannot beat this stuff. It's just a lot of fun to open. And if you're a set builder and you love parallels, this is just out of this world. I mean, you've got all kinds of options to chase here. It's really nice. I can't believe I'm saying it. It hurts to say it, but good job, Panini, on this. Good job on this. I just have to give credit where credit's due, and I get so mad at them all the time with their stupid redemptions and leaving hits out and you name it. Oh, and bad quality control. The Prizm football was trash. But this time, they've done a nice job, so I gotta give it to them. Let me know what you think. Do you like Panini Baseball? Do you like it just as much as me? I mean, Prizm Baseball? Do you love it like I love it? Or am I just cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs right now? And just, like, needed something to fall in love with, and this was the thing. So, I don't know. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. I will have, oh, there's that baseball, that leather and lumber coming up. I'll have that for you soon. That's going to be a big deal. That has 4 autos and 4 mem cards per. So I'm really anxious to get my hands on that, and I'll have it for you the day it releases. Everybody take care. I'll see y'all again soon.